Hello everybody, how are you today? Everyone are feeling good? Okay, so welcome to English class. Everyone are ready? Okay, let's go. So this is our lesson content for today. 1. Objectives. Second, lesson. Third, activity. And the last one is review. Objectives. Okay, so these are our three objectives. Number one, understand environmental issues. Again, understand environmental issues. Students will identify and discuss key environmental issues affecting our planet, such as climate change, pollution, deforestation, and biodiversity loss, and understand their impact on both the environment and human life. Number two, promote sustainability practices. Students will learn about sustainable practices and ways they can contribute to protecting the environment, such as reducing waste, conserving water, and using renewable resources, and apply these practices in daily life. The last one, foster global awareness and responsibility. Students will explore the interconnectedness of the global environment and how actions in one part of the world can affect other regions, developing a sense of responsibility for taking care of the earth for the future generations. Okay, let's proceed to our lesson for today. Our planet, our home. So if we will talk about our planet, our home, so we should protect our planet to make it home, because if we will not protect our planet, so what will happen to us? So for example, if there is a house, if no one will live there, it is just a building, so we will not call it home because no one will live there. So if there are some people who live there and they are very happy, we can call it home. Okay, so it seems like our planet, we should take good care of our planet to make it our home. So this is our vocabulary words. Repeat after me, okay? Number one, public transportation. Again, public transportation. Next, crops. Crops. Next, increase. Increase. Next, produce. Produce. Disease. Disease. Accurate. Accurate. Global. Global. And the last one is season. Season. Okay, so there are the some, I will give you some examples, some pictures of example, okay? So number one is public transportation. It's a system of vehicles and services that are available to the public for a fee. Okay, so it means that you need to fee if you will use this kind of transportation. So who can give me an example of transportation? Like train, bus, taxi. Okay, so that is a public transportation. Yeah, airplane also. Okay, and the second one is crops, a plant product that is grown and harvested for profit subsistence. Okay, so it means that if you will harvest this one, you can use this one also, you can sell this product also, or you can, of course, you can eat this product also. That is crops. And the next one is increase. Increase. So became or make greater in size, amount, intensity, or degrees. So increase, it means from the bottom to the top. So it is increasing. So based on the picture, the money will increase if you have a good product. Okay? And the next one is produce. Produce. Things that have been grown or produced, especially by farming. Okay? So if we will talk about produce, it means that uh, from farming, of course, you plant this kind of product, and of course you can harvest it. So that's why it's produced. Or manufacturing, you will give to this, like you will manufacture all the stores. Okay? And the next one is disease. Disease is a particular abnormal condition. It can be happen to people, animals, and plants. Okay, so I know no one wants to have a disease, right? So we need to practice to be healthy, to exercise every day. But remember, it will not happen only to us, to human, to people. It happen also to our plants, to our animals. So all we need to do is to take good care of our animals and plants so that we can harvest our plants and we can sell it to the market. Next, accurate. Accurate. So based on the picture, that is correct. Okay, exact, and without any mistakes. So for example, you are calculating, you are answering a math subject, right? If you are not sure of your answer, so you need to use a calculator to make it correct, okay? So that you can pass your answer without any mistakes. Okay. And the next one is global. Global, relating to the whole world or worldwide. So if we will talk about global, it is not only here in Thailand. It is not only about Asia, but in the entire world. So that is global. And the last one is season. It's a period of year with distinct, with the patterns, daylight, okay? So the four seasons we have is spring, summer, winter, and fall. How about here in Thailand? How many seasons we have? Okay, maybe only one. Hot, hot, hot. Okay, very hot here in Thailand. Okay, so let's proceed to our activity. Are you ready? So everyone, please, can get any paper so that you can answer our activity for today. Okay, but before answering, you should read first the instruction. Fill in the blanks with the best vocabulary words. Again, the vocabulary words that we talked earlier, like the season, produce. Okay, so number one, my plant seems to be sick. It's covered in dark spots. I think it has a blank. Number two, I'm trying to draw a blank picture of the earth for my science project. The third one, do you think cars blank a lot of pollution? Number four, winter is the coldest blank. It's when we use a lot of electricity for heat and light. Number five, scientists around the world are working together on a blank of a climate change. Number six, without blank, many people would not be able to travel around the city. Okay? So, finish everyone? Okay, but before anything else, before we will end this, we will having a review first. Okay? So again, our planet, our home. We need to take good care of our planet because we live here in our planet Earth. This is our home. So we need to take good care so that we can enjoy every moment that we had. Okay. So the vocabulary words, please again repeat after me. Public transportation. public transportation. Crops, crops. Increase, increase. Produce, produce. Disease, disease. Accurate, accurate. Global, global. Season, season. Okay? Okay, that would be all, everyone. Hope you enjoy our topic for today and see you next week. Okay, bye bye.